Hey y'all, hey, good morning. It is What I Eat Wednesday, except I'm actually filming on Friday, so I figured I would take you guys along with me today. I've got a doctor's appointment and we're supposedly getting our fence built, although the guys have not showed up 3 days in a row, so that's a mess. But they did stop by yesterday to like scout the yard, so hopefully they actually show up today. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I'm wearing. Outfit of the day. I've got on my girlfriend leggings in like this lovely baby poop color. I've got on the matching bra, it's the blue bra. And this sweater from Loft, the Living Gray line, I think last fall. But yeah, just getting myself ready for the day. So let's go get my breakfast / coffee going. Okay, so it is 8:01 right now in the morning, and I have my appointment with the chiropractor at 9. So I'm going to kind of make today a combo coffee smoothie type thing. So it's like my breakfast and my coffee all in one. I like to do this on days that I know I want breakfast and that I know I'm going to be running around quite a bit and don't have time to eat a breakfast. So I know for sure I'm putting the remnants of my almond butter in there. I used most of it to make a cookie recipe the other day. There's only a tiny bit left, so I figured I'll just throw that in the smoothie because it does make the smoothies taste really good. I'm probably going to use my chocolate protein powder, and I'm going to use some coffee that I already have in the pot just sitting there, and I'm gonna feed Fran because she's yelling at me, so I'll be right back. So into our smoothie, I am adding 4 Sigmatic Mushroom Elixir with Lion's Mane, the Think blend. I know a lot of people, a lot of influencers hawk this stuff, but I actually really like it. So I don't know if this is about me. I like their coffee too. So many people taste test their coffee and they're like, ew, why do influencers go so hard for this? But I actually like the coffee. I like the earthy taste. So some of us out there actually do like it. It is not just some scammy product. I'm gonna do some hemp seeds, just a sprinkle of those. I'm gonna do some chocolate protein powder. This is the Earth Chimp chocolate protein powder. The Earth Chimp products come in like little baggies that just don't sit well in my line of products, so I move it into jars. I'm gonna add this last little bit of almond butter from my jar. So I like to throw greens in every smoothie I make because you really can't taste them, especially when it's just a little handful. So I have just some mixed greens right now, some spring greens. I'm gonna throw a handful of those in. Now I'm going to fight with my frozen bananas to try and get them unstuck from each other to throw in my smoothie. I'm aiming for like 2 bananas, but we'll see. Sometimes these break up into little pieces. Okay, I got about a single banana's worth of scraps from that giant banana heap, and I'm never freezing my bananas this way ever again, but I do have some non-frozen bananas. I'll probably throw one of them in too. Okay, I have this lovely little speckled banana here that I'm gonna go ahead and throw into the smoothie for extra banana-y sweetness. Now I'm gonna add in my coffee. Just put about as much as you'd put in a regular cup of coffee. This was pretty much a finished pot. Only 1 serving left, so I just used the whole thing. And a splash of soy milk. So here is our smoothie. Doesn't quite fill the whole jar, but that's okay because if I am having a breakfast, I typically like it to be lighter, or else then I don't end up wanting lunch and then I end up hungry for dinner at like a really weird early time. So it's really good. The banana gives it a sweetness. You taste the coffee, you taste the chocolate protein. It's just kind of a light, sweet mocha banana smoothie kind of thing. So I'm gonna have this. I'm gonna get about my morning routine, which usually involves like laundry, straightening up the kitchen, opening the curtains, stuff like that. And then I'm gonna head to the doctor's, and I will see you guys for lunch, I guess. Look at this marvelous creature. She is mean mugging me hard. She's so cute though. So it is 11:58 and I'm going to get working on lunch. I have a ton of veggies I cut up on Monday, just to have them already cut and ready to go. So I'm probably going to chuck everything into a pot with some vegetable stock, which I also made a fresh batch up on Monday, and make just a veggie soup. It's kind of cooler today and I want to use up a lot of the stuff that I have in the fridge, so I think that's what we're gonna do. So here is everything I pulled out of the fridge. I have just a little bit of carrot, so I'm gonna use that. I've chopped up yellow squash and zucchini. I'll use some of those. I have just a little bit of red onion here that I will go ahead and chop up and add in. I'm also probably gonna add some garlic. I have some black beans, celery, and bell pepper. I might chop that a little smaller. I'm gonna add this can of fire roasted diced tomatoes, my vegetable stock, and then I think I'm gonna add some barley too, just to give it a little something extra. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all of this going in the pot. So I've got all my veggies in here, stewing down with some salt and pepper. So it's onion, garlic, celery, carrot, yellow squash, zucchini, and bell pepper, green bell pepper, all in there. Stew it down real nice on a very low temperature. I'm going to turn it up just a little bit and add in the fire roasted tomatoes, and then let it cook for a few more minutes before I add my veggie stock. And then I'm going to bring it up to a little simmer and then add the barley and let that cook for a little while till the barley is just done. Add in the black beans at that point because they don't really need to be cooked. Just let them get warm and then it'll be ready to serve. And then Austin actually is going to be baking these par-baked loaves for his lunch. He's going to have a Gardein meatball sandwich. So I might use one of these as bread on the side to like do a little dipping. So at this point I added in a whole bunch of Italian seasonings, a little bit of garlic and onion powder. I don't remember, I think I might have put some paprika, and then I ended up adding in the barley as well, and I cooked this until the barley was done. So here is our final lunch. The barley noodles could probably cook a little longer. I'm gonna leave them on the stove, but I'm hungry, so I am just eating them where they're soft enough to actually eat. And the bread looks delicious. I just put a little earth balance, salt, pepper, and a pinch of garlic powder to give that some flavor. I feel like this is going to be delicious. It looks so hot though. Okay, let's give this a try. Yeah, that's really good. Those Italian herbs. Might need a pinch more salt, but otherwise it is delicious. Hey guys, it is, what time is it? 8:21. And I just got settled in after going on a walk with one of my friends, and I have a pizza in the oven. I am making the Blackbird pizza, the margarita pizza. Blackbird make the best vegan pizzas. So I actually pulled this out of recycle because I forgot to film that part. And I made a little salad. So for some reason, I just really love having a bed of greens with my pizza lately. And I'm gonna use the Annie's Goddess dressing. And I'll probably have half the pizza and my greens and then reevaluate, see if I'm still hungry. That usually does it for me. And I might have a glass of wine. I have this open right now. The Alma Libre 2020 Pinot Noir from Chile. I get my wines delivered from Wink, which I think I have linked down below. Oh, my pizza's done. But they have a whole section of just vegan ones, so I don't have to think, which I love. So I'm gonna get my pizza out of the oven and cut it up, and I'll bring you guys back. So here is my plate. I zhuzhed the pizza up with some dollops of Calabrian chili paste and some Kalamata olives. So it looks really good. I'm gonna put a little dressing on my salad and dig in. So per usual, I forgot to end this video, but I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye-bye!